it's another way to perfect your pirouettes and increase your balance. So in this Live on Demi-Pointe challenge, I want you to spend as much time as you can per day on Demi-Pointe. You can eat breakfast up here on Demi-Pointe. You can text friends, watch dance videos. You can read books. If you play the flute up here, or the violin, but live on Demi-Pointe. You can walk around on Demi-Pointe. You just need to get comfortable being on Demi-Pointe. Now, I did this when I was training, and it changed my dancing immensely. I was so much more comfortable in pirouettes and balances, and it was incredibly helpful. Now, you need to track your progress, and this is very, very important. I want you to write down every day how many minutes you are spending on Demi-Pointe. Yes, minutes, maybe even tens of minutes. 10, 15, how many can you do? 20 minutes, maybe an hour on Demi-Pointe every day? And you can break it up into sections throughout the day. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes at night, maybe waiting in line, you can go on Demi-Pointe. Forget those social norms. Go on Demi-Pointe and show off a little bit. Practice that balance and live up here. So as you do that, you can use the stopwatch feature on your phone to see how much time you're spending up here, and then write it down for 30 days. Yes, for 1 month. Track how many minutes you are spending on Demi-Pointe, and it will change your dancing forever. It will change your pirouettes, it will change your balance, and it will be a huge success. People will notice it right away, I guarantee you, in class, and you will notice a difference in a matter of days, or up to 7 days, a week, and you will be so much more comfortable. Because balance is like a target, and at first that target's really big, but the more comfortable you are up here, the smaller that target gets, and the easier it is for you to find that balance. So, 30 days, track your progress,